Yo, Melatonin,
Yo.
boss get the KD a check for you now. Cause she really want to know what going from the other day.
John no star. Tell you, no brother. Yo, dog.
Alright then, me and two mad dog from out of Ghost Town lift up two new thing. We still got the new sound. The weird thing, every sound alone we are 2 pound. And Melatonin, alright then, me say me wonder could have cost this. Bad luck or a crosses. Sit down about a split. I wonder if this and me last split. The shot tip on me lap, plus the A-Kalish, nick up the grass, me shoulder up on the strap, the extra clip, me got it locked. Me and the killer them inna the car and me a relax, walk inna the back. Right now what the brinks, we a go corral, get rid of the yard and grab the cash because we do the investigation. 5 minutes of the estimated time for reach the destination. Take the key and check the weight and for the armor chuck the rifle load with armor penetration. Drive down pan the ready set and press the brakes and jump out with automatic fire like a celebration. Shoot out the tire and dash and bang through the ventilation. Boom! Door them fly want me when the bomb explode. Gunshot in the yard, them every shot me fire connect load. Pull the vault with the correct code. Be a money pump pallet board. Make sure every bag get load. The man them dep and collect mode. While we are fully last bag, me hear a gun go off. Boom! Where the bomber clot. Same time me jump up fast. Me see me friend jump and me run go cross. One of the yard not dead and lick the youngster with a thunder blast. A 30 shot me line up in them face and make sure none a pass. The boy kill me friend. Know him dead like when the phone turn off. Tell the rest of dog them ready grab the bags and come out fast. Me can't bear to see my friend with gunshot in him stomach part. Try start the old car now and the car not start. But I wear the rascal. Dog me have to start laugh. Throw the bag of money on me back and then me start walk. More car there inna the car park. But time I run out fast. Me step inna the road in front of car. Me now wall out now. Looking at me gun mount now. Little boy come out now. Him jump out of the car in the next car ring go run up. Blow we take the car and let the place, the whole scheme turn up now. Me a clock 200 kilometer on the speedometer. Them a tell me slow down, but right now me devo see no need for sit down inna the car like it's a aeroplane. Me sit down inna press the gas and them a ball and I say please no teacher. But when me look up, no one me heart come inna me mouth. When me see the mount of police jeep we park up inna the road, me point the rifle inna them direction and blast on me that the crowd and jam the brakes in front of yard and run the car go inna the house while me a fire shot. No chance for them fire, but the wall them jump behind her that the AK got this fire top. Every shot me fire head a bust like when a tire flat. Kill 6 of them and left the rest in a entire shock. Quarter mile down the road me reach before me notice. Say one of my friend left, dog I must see joke this. Shot still a fire and me not stand up and count it. Uno go on more me no want, but give me couple more clips. So me reach back at the shootout. Police if he put down gun, be a shot I'm foot numb. Boom! Turn them upside down, shoot him from him foot gun down. Straight in the bush some run. Meanwhile me a fire shot, me a call me friend. As a youth come down, be a soldier soon come down. Me a vroom vroom vroom, who that? Now the dog them come back with 2 more guns. Drive off with no 2 slow down. Reach back in a Ghost Town and disappear for 2 whole months. Come back when me new home done.